Hi there, this is a teaching coming to you from the Training Place of Excellence, and it's a teaching on double entry for discount received. And we're delivering this to you under the when season. It is a time when we're just asking ourselves, when something happens, what would you do to account for such transaction? And we've just called it the when season. Discount received. You need to be asking yourself, what is discount received? It is simply the opposite of discount allowed. There is a different teaching within the when season on discounts allowed. Discounts received is literally, in this case, you have bought something from your supplier and they've given you a discount. A discount to encourage you to pay on time. So you may have bought items and they're telling you owe £1,000. But if you pay within 5 days, you can get 1% discount. If you pay in 30 days, you would pay the full invoice amount. That then implies to me as well that, okay, if I'm being given a discount, I can choose to pay you on time. And rather than paying you the full invoice amount, I will pay you less by the discount you've offered me. That implies I have applied the prompt payment discount and I've got a discount received, which to you will be a saving because I should have paid you maybe the full amount, but I'm paying you less by a certain amount. So that certain amount by which you're paying less by it's a saving in your hand. So we class it as an income. What account is being affected? Discount received. What are we talking about in your scenario? Discount received. So discount received account will be affected. Nice and quick. Identify that little fact and then hold on to the discount received account. And then, of course, if there was VAT on the original invoice, when I have now claimed the discount, there will be VAT on the discount element. So, whatever amount of discount I'm claiming, some of it will be the net amount, some of it will be the VAT amount. To join those two together or add them up together to give you then your gross amount. The VAT element will go into the VAT account. When you bought an item, VAT on your purchases is an asset in your hand. You would have debited your asset account because you can claim that back from the government. But technically, you didn't spend the money anymore. So you're going to do the opposite of what you did originally. You will then credit the VAT account. Then, of course, when you say discount received, I was owing somebody. Now I have paid them, but I didn't pay them the full amount because they offered me a discount. That discount proportion, that amount that I am not paying them, is not owed to them anymore. So they are no longer creditors in my hands. I have to reduce the creditors, and creditors is a liability. Your liability in this case is reducing. So the scenario says to you, when there is a discount received on a credit purchase and VAT was included, what will be the double entry posting? And it says to you, debit PLC with a gross amount, credit VAT with a VAT amount, and credit discount received with a discounted received or the discount received net amount. What will be the discount received will carry net VAT, and then of course those two together will give you the gross amount if VAT was charged on the original invoice. So in this case, what accounts are affected? PLCA. PLCA is also creditors control account. Your creditors is reducing. Your creditors is a liability account. And on the debt click, you credit liabilities, income, capital. When any of these are increasing, in this case, your liability account, which is PLCA, is reducing. Then you have your discount received, which is classed as income in your hands, and that is increasing. You had discounts that you've utilized maybe to the tune of £20 before. Now you've utilized another discount that would then bring it to maybe £30, £22, £25, as the case may be. So your discount received is increasing. Your VAT on sales is a liability. VAT on purchases is an asset. But that asset now, your VAT on purchases, is reducing because technically that VAT element on that discount that you have received, you're no longer in utilizing it, or you were not awarded that discount anymore. Or better still, when you bought the item, you had VAT that you debited as an asset. But now technically, you didn't buy that item or a part of that item. Why? Because you didn't pay the full amount, or it didn't cost you as much. So that element of VAT is overstated, and we want you to go and remove it from your account. So if you debited it in the VAT account, you are going to credit the VAT account now. So your asset is reducing. Your VAT on purchases is an asset. You would have debited it originally when you bought the item. Now you are doing the opposite. You have to now credit the assets account. I hope that has been useful. Again, there's logic behind the double entry. I hope and sincerely wish that you catch the double entry and the logic behind it. Keep learning, keep working hard. I hope this has been useful. Hit the subscribe button for us, and please follow us, like us, and connect with us on all the social media platforms. See ya. Adios.